Okay, now, in order to get the ceiling fixed up, I'm going to be putting blocks of wood where the seams of the sheetrock come up, because you can tell that they've came down some, and it's hard to get them to connect right when they do that. And also over here, we'll be replacing the sheetrock around this electrical box, make it to where it's flush with the sheetrock and all that. So I'm gonna put some screws in that piece, suck that up some, since you can definitely tell that it's slouchy. And put a light switch over here to where we can have a light here. And as you can see, that sheetrock right there is cracked for some reason. So reinforce this ceiling as well. And then I can go through and do all the other stuff. Well, that's why I hate fucking with the ceiling. Because all this shit comes down with it. And this is the reason it was all janky and the sheetrock was messed up is because, there isn't no support on it. This thing's actually up on the fucking 2x4, so it's up in there a ways. You ain't gonna be able to get to it with your long screws on your thing. So what I do is I take a board, a 2x4, and go across the level it needs to be and screw this up onto the 2x4 there. And then I'll fix the fucking sheetrock. So I'll get that done. So I'm glad these houses fix themselves. I love when the wife says, "Oh, well, I sold them houses without you." Telling me like I didn't have anything to do with making any money off these houses. Sorry, dude, but if it wasn't for me fixing the fucking houses up, nobody would want them. I did get the ceiling fan square fixed. I think I need to put another 2x4 on the side of that truss so that I can support that sheetrock up a little bit more. But other than that, that's going to be solid as hell when I'm done with it. I didn't get it completely done. I got the light done, ready, and kind of messed up on that one there, so I had to cut a piece of sheetrock out. I had the light right there where that stud was, and the light wasn't going to fit there, so I had to redo that. And I got my electrical box put in, and run up from the electric plug. So buddy, I'll come back to it and start on it again. Fuck, a lot of work. Hope she knows how much labor it is to do this stuff. I mean, after all, she don't want to fucking help do it, right? Well, that's okay. I don't expect her to. That's why she has the job. But for her to tell me that all I do is stay at home and fucking do nothing, fuck that.